SeatID is a social seating solution that enables airline passengers to choose a seatmate based on their social profiles and preferences during the ticketing process, a value-add service to the airlines and passengers. In this demonstration, we'll show you how SeatID works on an airline's website that has implemented SeatID's social seating solutions. Let's say you're about to book a flight from San Francisco to New York City. You arrived at the airline's website ready to search flights. In this scenario, this airline is already integrated with SeatID, so the social seating experience kicks in right here before your search results are displayed. At this stage, you're presented with an option to log in to a preferred social network, be it your Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter account. Let's say you're going in with Facebook. You log in and grant SeatID access to your social information, which in return allows it to match your interests and any similarities with your fellow passengers. Now let's take a look at the new Socialized flight search results. As seen here, it still displays all the usual information, like flight duration and departure and arrival time and so on. But what's new is that you can now also see who's on which flight. Now remember, as SeatID is an opt-in service, naturally, it will only display information of those that have chosen to use it. Let's go ahead and click on an avatar. Now you can see this person's social information, plus where he's sitting and how you are related. Once you have decided on a particular flight, the next step would be to choose a seat. Similar to choosing a flight, with SeatID, all you need is a simple click on a select seat. SeatID will then show you the information of the person who will be sitting there. If you're interested, you can browse the entire seat map and make your seating choice accordingly. Simply put, SeatID enables you to make better seating choices and turns the otherwise dull ticketing process into a fun, interesting, and social experience. Protecting your data and privacy is our top concern. That's why SeatID has implemented a strict privacy protection policy that offers information controls to help you take charge of what information you decide to show. As a non-intrusive opt-in service, SeatID only becomes effective when you choose to use it. If you don't, you will just go through the usual ticketing process without any disruption from SeatID, and you will not be visible to any of the other passengers. However, if you do choose to use SeatID, you have the option to define who will see you. All of that can easily be done by altering your settings. Though SeatID partners with airline companies and travel websites to bring this premium social seating experience to you, SeatID does not integrate its database with the airlines. This approach ensures that SeatID always puts users first, from safeguarding passenger information to providing customer support. The SeatID team handles them independently. SeatID, social seating.